My name is Tim Helm, and I support the government and education team here at ImageSource. I think the reason why most school districts choose ImageSource is that they value the relationship that we bring to the table. We bring over 30 years of experience in the K-12 environment, as well as a team of people who know exactly how to meet the needs and provide the customer service that school districts expect. I've been with ImageSource for 30 years. It's been an easy decision to continue to work with this company because they truly value the experience of customer support. They see it as what will build a partnership and allows us to maintain customers that we've had in some cases for over 20 years. Everyone from the president of our company down to the technicians and the support people who support the school districts on a day in, day out basis believe that putting the customer first is the best way to handle every aspect of our business. ImageSource is Xerox's largest independently owned contractor in the United States. We provide partnerships with other vendors such as Muto and Borg that provide wide format finishing products, as well as the ability to handle things like document storage and retrieval for student CUME files, and the ability to just help school districts manage every aspect of their business so that they can focus on educating their students. If you're interested in exploring what this partnership would look like, we look forward to hearing from you.